Hi, this is the demo of the Uber for tow trucks or the Urgently clone or the Rapido clone by appscript.com. This is the demo of the customer side of the product. So I start by launching the app. I go in and register on the app. I register by entering my name and number. So I put in my name. I add my email address. The app verifies that my email is valid. I put in my phone number. It verifies my phone number is valid. I go in, add my password. I can also add a photo. So I go in and choose a photo from my gallery. So, oops, let me change that. Put in this photo here. We also have an option of signing up with Facebook. We have an option of entering a referral code in case I have a referral code from a friend. I accept the terms and conditions. I click on next. As soon as I do that, I would get an OTP verifying my phone number. As I see above, I can see the OTP I just received. So it's 42658. So I put that in 42658. So after I put my OTP, it verifies my phone number and it signs me up. I get into the next page. I can add my credit card details here. So I have a card with me. I can scan my card. So I go in here and wait for scanning the card. So that's done. I can add in my details. So it adds my card securely. The card is added on Stripe and it's added in a secure PCI compliant fashion. So we do not store any credit card details on our server. The the entire credit card information is stored on Stripe servers, which is secure and PCI compliant. So you have no, your app is completely secure. I can add my vehicle, the vehicle which I want to, which all my vehicles which I have in the house, I can add them here. So I start with choosing the year of the year of the vehicle. Then I get a list of the make. We have a whole big list of all the vehicles available in different countries. I add the model, and then I can also add the color. I can say it's a black color car. I add my vehicle. As soon as I add my vehicle, it gets saved on the app. When I log into the app, I can see the different kinds of tow trucks available. One is the nearest truck, and another one is a tilt tray. I see that there's no tilt tray available, but I can see a nearest truck right here. I can then see the other options on the app. I see my vehicles. This is a vehicle I just added, the BMW 2 Series, the black one. I can remove the vehicle if I don't want it anymore. I can see the different rates and charges for the different services on the app. I can find more details about the product itself on the about page. I can invite my friends to join the app. If I invite my friends by sharing my referral code, and if a friend uses that to sign up on the app, I would get a promo code if he successfully signs up on the app. I can see my profile right here. I can see my payment method. This is the card I just added while signing up. Uh, I can see the support text here. This is the text which can be managed on the back office. And I get in, and now I can now I'll start demoing the towing process. So I choose the nearest truck. I choose the nearest truck type. I choose my service. I can select my vehicle from the list I've already have. So I choose the BMW 2 Series. If I want to add a new vehicle, I can add that. I choose the service which I need. I assume the situation is I'm stranded and I have my car is broke, so I need to tow the car or I need to tow my bike. So I add that service here and I say continue. This is surge price. So this is the surge feature we have on the app. So since it's late night here, the tow truck driver is that he's going to charge me a premium because it's an odd time of the day. So I see that there's a 1.5x time surge at the moment. I have to the app the app notifies me of such a surge, and I have to agree to this. So I agree to the surge pricing. I can see the quick summary of all the for all the entire fare and the service which I need right here. I can enter a promo code if I have one, and that would get me a discount. So if I want to add a promo code, I can add that right here. I choose my payment method. By default, it's the card I just added. So now I send out the request for help. So I'm sending out the request. The request goes to the closest available truck or tow truck. So I'm just waiting for the tow truck to accept. So here it is. I see the tow truck right here. It's about a few minutes away from me. So I can see it's right here. So I can track the tow truck as it makes its way towards me. This is great because if I'm in a tough situation, I really need to know how far the truck is from me. So it's a great way to kind of stay updated with how far the truck is and how long it's going to take to kind of help me out. I can see the details of the truck which is coming. I can see this is the photo of the truck. This is the photo of the driver. The driver's name is Scott, and I can cancel the booking in case I've changed my mind. I can notify my friends in case they want to track where I am. I can notify them by email or SMS. They would receive a tracking link by which they can track where exactly I am and how far the tow truck is away from me or how far help is away from me. I can contact the driver. I can either call him or send him a text message. So I'm just waiting for the truck. It's almost here. As you see, as you see on my screen, you can see the truck moving live on the road. So this is completely real time. We've used PubNub as a real time technology, and it's really great and it's a very scalable technology. So you can see the truck moving or slithering literally on the road, and I see that it's turned and it's almost reached my breakdown location. So So he's almost here, and he would just confirm by marking himself as arrived. Great. So now I see that he's arrived. So the truck is here. He's just helping me. Scott is helping me fix my bike. He just put that on his truck, and now we are on our way to So now I'm right here at the drop location, and he's gonna take my bike to the garage, the closest garage. So he's put my bike on his tow truck now, and he's ready to move to the garage. So you can see here that I can see that the job is started. You can see the status on top, and I'm just waiting for him to now complete the trip and drop the vehicle off at the garage. So I'm just waiting for that to happen. So I can track the truck live as the truck is moving away towards the garage. I think he's taking some time to complete the. He's just taking a little time to reach the garage. Great. So he's reached the garage and he's dropped my bike off. I get a real-time invoice as soon as he completes the drop. I can see the date of the trip. I can see the pick location and the drop location. I can see the driver. I can also see the receipt with the complete details of the trip. Um, I can rate my service. I can rate my driver. So I can just say Scott was great, and I can drop in this review, and then I submit this review, and this is the end of the first towing trip on our Uber for Tow Truck app. I can always go back and check my history, so I can see that the trip has been complete and the payment has been done. The name of the driver is shown here along with his phone number in case I want to call him back and find out where my vehicle was. So I'm directly from the app. I can also see a quick summary of the invoice itself. And then so this was I mean, I've covered all the screens on the app. So this was a quick summary or a quick demo of the Uber for Tow Truck app by appscript.com. I hope this was useful. And if you have any further queries, feel free to drop me a message on AppScript. My email address is dreamer@appscript.com. My name is Rahul. I am the founder of the company. So feel free to contact me in case you have any other queries. Thank you so much.